It can be really tough when a friend stops talking to you. If you think it's because you did something to hurt your friend's feelings, apologize to them and take responsibility for your part in what happened. Let them know that you won't repeat your mistake and that the friendship is important to you. Give your friend time to consider your apology before they respond, and be respectful of their decision. It's possible that they'll forgive you, but there's also a chance they won't be ready to move on. If you don't think you've done anything to cause a problem between you, reach out to your friend and ask them what happened. With a little honest communication, you might discover that the whole thing was just a misunderstanding, or that their silence has nothing to do with you. If your friend continues to ignore you or won't tell you what the problem is, you might need to take a break from the friendship or even move on. If this happens, take time to care for yourself and spend time with other supportive people in your life.